All right, we're going to assemble the top stepper base and the stepper motor and the limit switches. You'll notice that the spacers for the limit switches are facing outward towards the opening right here. We'll attach the limit switches like so. We will pass a sheet metal screw through the mounting hole into the spacer and tighten that up. Then we will mount the second limit switch, noting that the red roller is facing upward. Now, we will attach the stepper motor like so, noticing that the little ears are facing outward. We'll place a machine screw through there, and we will apply a nut on the back side and tighten that up. The next thing, we look at the completed assembly, and you will see that the red rollers are facing up and the spacers are facing this way. On the back side, you'll notice that we have a set screw on the little boss here for mounting on the camera base. You'll notice a little flat here. The set screw should line up with the flat. If we have to, we can take our needle nose pliers and move the shaft slightly so the screw lines up with the flat on the stepper motor shaft. And we can take our screwdriver and snug this up a little bit. It'll hold it in place. And there's a little wing here that activates the limit switches. On the other side here, we have our cable for the top stepper motor, and we have the arrows pointing upward. We'll put the connector in place like so. It's important that you have these little arrows facing upward, and the red wire we're not using, so that's not connected.